How to generate voice in Google AI Studio in just 3 minutes. Today I'm going to show you in this full step-by-step guide how to create realistic AI voice audio using Google AI Studio after the latest update. If you want fast voiceovers for videos, presentations, podcasts, or content creation without recording your own voice, this setup is much easier than most people expect. First, open Google AI Studio in your browser and log into your Google account. Once you're inside the platform, create a new prompt or start a new chat session. This is where you will enter the script you want the AI voice to read. Next, choose the model you want to use. For quick voice generation and shorter clips, Gemini 3.1 Flash TTS is the fastest option. But if you need longer narrations or more stable results for several minutes of audio, Gemini 2.5 Pro is usually the better choice. Picking the right model matters because it affects both speed and output quality. After selecting the model, paste your script in the prompt box. Keep the text clean and properly spaced because the AI will read punctuation, pauses, and sentence flow directly from the script. Short paragraphs and natural wording usually create smoother voice results. Now move to the voice settings. This is where you can customize how the generated audio sounds. Depending on the available options, you can select different voices, accents like American, British, or Australian English, and even adjust the pacing. Natural pacing works better for conversational videos, while faster pacing may fit short-form content or quick explainers. Once everything looks ready, click the Run button. Google AI Studio will begin generating the voice audio based on your script and settings. After processing finishes, the audio will appear in the output section where you can preview the result immediately. If the voice sounds too fast, too robotic, or not expressive enough, simply adjust the script or pacing settings and generate another version. Small wording changes can make big difference in how natural the final voice sounds. When you are satisfied with the result, download the audio file directly from the output panel and save it to your device. From there, you can use it in videos, presentations, podcasts, or other projects right away. So if you want to generate voice in Google AI Studio, create a new prompt, choose the right Gemini model, paste your script, customize the voice settings, and run the generation. Within minutes, you can create a downloadable AI voiceover without needing professional recording equipment.